Hello? Can you hear me now? Can you hear? Okay, great. Awesome. Okay, good, great. Thanks for that. I think some issue happened. Is it echo? Is there any echo? Let me know if there is there any echo? Oh, it's okay. Great. Apology for the inconvenience. Sometime I need to manage this stream, so that's why it happens. So anyway, we are all good to go. Thanks for letting me know. Very good, thank you. So let's begin today's session. Hopefully we will find something awesome today. Yesterday, as you have seen, that Aussie dollar trade that has given for free in this live stream has been a winner. And at the same time, let's see what happened today. Let's begin today's session without further delay. Thank you for letting me know and helping me to run the stream properly. So let's begin with today's pairs, starting with, first of all, higher time frame, 4 hour daily, and then we'll slowly jump on to lower time frame to find out if we find incredible opportunity. Then we'll jump on to maybe in even 15 minutes. So gold has given a very nice price action pattern previous 4 hour. That's a bearish engulfer, you see. On the 4 hour, that is a nice trading candle. Okay, and then as soon as that candle closed, we see that gold is dropping. Now, as you can remember, yesterday when I was doing the live stream, the price was here. That's what I told. Look at this, what happened. There is a big move happen later, and so I think that gold is still bearish. You see, today also there has been a gap opening after this strong bearish engulfer. On the daily time frame, we saw that previous day it's a very strong bearish engulfer on a very important level of resistance. So support here, resistance here, continuing that gold is likely to drop further. So let's see what you guys and girls are saying. Smash the like button, everyone, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet, so that thank you for you, everyone. So let's see what you guys and girls writing down. So write down, everyone, what you are expecting me to do, what pairs you are trading, so that we can start analyzing and try to find out the trades. So let's begin with some pairs that giving nice trading opportunities, starting with Euro CHF. Okay, so Euro CHF, as I posted analysis, as soon as I posted analysis, I found the trading opportunity, and this is the trade that I have posted to our VIP members, because let me tell you why I have posted. It's now moving in almost more than 1-to-1 profit. So our profit target is 2 times than the risk. Now, why I'm bringing it? Because it's a really great trade, so that you can learn from it to grow as a trader. Now, let me show you the trade that I have sent to our VIP members, so that you also can learn from it, so that you understand that how these things are working. Let me do it for you. So this is the Euro CHF trade. You see, we are already one running, and we have added one more position to Euro CHF. Now let me explain why I have given this trade to our VIP members. That time I was not in live stream, so I couldn't discuss. So the reason is, you see Euro CHF overall, if you look at the bigger picture on Euro CHF, you'll see that monthly time frame Euro CHF is in a very strong downtrending market. Okay, it's a very strong overall. That's how you have to analyze the market. Look at always the bigger picture to see how the market is moving. See, if you look at this monthly time frame, this is starting from very top all the time. Euro CHF is creating a series of lower high and lower low, starting from here, move creating every time the price was creating series of lower high and lower low. So now this current month, what happened? Euro CHF moved to this very important zone. This is a very strong selling zone based on monthly time frame, and there has been a monthly bearish engulfer, very strong bearish engulfer. Now the price went above to this zone, and we might see some back and forth, but primarily we see a rejection, and we can take that rejection in the lower time frame to see how we can find a trading opportunity. Now on the weekly, as you have seen, that the price creating a bearish candle, and I think that because it's a very strong seller's zone with this doji, you see this is the top of the monthly doji. If you look at the past, it's weekly candle, there is a doji here, and price just crossed this weekly doji, and then we saw that strongly rejected to the downside. Now going to the daily, what we see that the price basically overextended to the upside and then trying to push. And I think that you see this is where I have given the profit target, is where the daily 20 period moving average, and I am almost 95% probability that this trade is going to be a winning trade. That's how it is. This is Forex Wizard from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. If you're new to the channel, if you want to join my academy where you learn my strategy and also receive trade signal like that, link in the description area. You can visit my website. There is a live chat option. You can chat with our team in this case. So now let me tell you why Euro CHF, how you can find this kind of trading opportunity by yourself. If you don't want to if you want to do it by yourself, to become everyone dream to be a trader. I also is to dream to be a trader. I had to do a lot of struggling, but I'm giving you this education so that you can become a trader, take that full advantage. So let me tell you why. You see what you will do, as I teach you yesterday also, the day before yesterday also, always three things keep in mind. Find a market that is trending. Let's say series of lower high and lower low, it's a downtrend, right? And then wait for the market to break out. This applies to any time frame, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, hourly time frame. Wait for a market trending in one direction like this. Let's say series of lower high and lower low, that's a downtrending market if it is. Then wait for the market break to the opposite direction of the trend. So let's say the trend is down, but the market broke out to the opposite direction of the trend suddenly. Okay, that means that let it be overextended to the other direction of the trend and then let it reverse. That is where the big trade comes. Okay, then hold the trade for a very long period of time. So how this applies to Euro CHF, that's what I applied in my trading. That's why this trade is going to be a winning trade for that I sent. Why? See, look at this. This is the daily time frame, right? Twice the market became overextended. See, this is the trend line on the daily. If you draw it, you see, first of all, market overextended this way, did the same, created a double top, and big move happened to the downside. You see, the simple education will give you a big edge over the market. You see, so if you took the trade from here, it's a big trade, 1 to 10 trade. Okay, gone. Now again, wait for the market. You see, the market is creating a trend like that, and then suddenly the market became overextended again to the upside, opposite direction of the trend. The trend is down. It's a clearly defined trend downside. The market overextended to the upside and then started to reverse, then sell. Now to sell, you need proper entry point, and that's what the analysis comes in. Everything comes in, strategy comes in. You see, when I saw this bearish engulfer, now how do you find exactly this one to sell? when you are doing, look at the market structure. First of all, you see this is the overextended market. When you find an overextended market, wait patiently to find a trading opportunity. Okay, so the market overextended. First of all, one rejection created a retracement, another rejection created a retracement, another rejection, and then finally this is also a very, very strong bearish engulfer. Now what I think that, you know, this trade, if you take a profit target here, it will be a winning trade. Trust me, if you take a profit target here also should be a winning trade, but doesn't mean that you gonna now jump on it. Okay, Forex wizard told that the trade is here, oh my god, let's take a big risk. Don't do that. You need proper entry point. Now why this trade is so powerful, as I explained. Now what you saw, that the price basically created a channel here on this 4-hour time frame, lower time frame channel, and from this channel what you saw, the price again broke down with a bearish engulfer, again retraced to the previous support as resistance. This is a support, resistance, and there is a 20 period moving average. There is a lot of confluence in it, and then created this bearish engulfer. The last thing that you need to look at is this bearish engulfer. Now I normally love to trade this kind of pattern. The reason is, see, the high is broken, the previous candle's high is broken, okay, and the low is broken, and the price closed past the previous candles completely. Now this green candle is basically a fake out. So when you find a fake out, all the factors in your favor, it's a good trade. Increase your leverage. That's what I do. Everybody's all the time I say reduce the leverage. When you see a good trade, increase leverage rather than losing in shitty trade. When you find a good trade, lose in that trade, okay, or gain a big one from the trade. That's what I do. I wait for a good trade. When I find I risk, I double so that I can gain double. That's what it is. And I keep adding a position on the way. That's what I did. I sent 2 trade signal on Eurusd. One is from here to my VIP members, which is also in profit. The other one is from here. I told them add up, add positions. So this is the trading psychology, that when you are winning, add position. When you are losing, cut it with short. That's what it is. Okay. Now Eurusd, I sincerely believe that it will continue to drop because there is a strong support and resistance, but it is facing this support. That's okay, but still it should be dropping. Now let me see what you guys and girls saying, asking. We'll talk about everything. Hello sir, nice to hear you. Okay, thank you. Coin Buru, GZ, GBP, JPY, 54 people. Okay, they're very good. Amar Said, guys, please like the stream as well. Thank you for liking and smashing the like button and hitting the subscribe button. This really helps the time and effort and value I am adding. This really feel good that okay, people liking it. I also like that you guys are liking it. Alexander, hi, no problem. Eurusd, we have already discussed best shorting zone for gold. We'll discuss it. Jane, dollar yen, sir. Okay, Mary, we'll look all of them. Dollar yen, GBP, JPY, Alzaf, good day, coach. No problem. Hennis, let's see. Kakolan, how to escape from stop hunt. Okay, Kakolan, we'll discuss this, how to escape from stop hunt. Coin Bro, let's look at GG Chill. Good evening, sir. Bipan. So let's find out. First of all, we have a quite request on GBP, JPY, and dollar yen. Let's find out what happened. GBP, JPY, it's creating a nice selling opportunity after this bearish engulfer. You know, I could sell GBP, JPY, but I didn't do because I don't like to trade too many trades at a time. It's difficult sometimes to manage. I'm already running 2 trades on Eurusd, and this week was all incredible. You saw that how many trades we have closed. USD, CNHS, GBP, USD, Aussie dollar, every trade is winning. Okay, that's what it is. When you find, you find. Now GBP, JPY, let me do a quick multi-time frame. So keep in mind that at the end of the session, we'll go to the lower time frame to find trading opportunity like 15 minutes or 5 minutes, but be patient. Let me first give you some analysis, those who are trading that really helps for me to decide which way to trade. So make sure you stay patient. Don't say that, okay, Forex users are only talking and analyzing, not giving trade. Trading is all about patience. Okay, so you need to be patient. Okay, so let's find out what's happening with Gbpusd. Now this is the monthly time frame. Okay, Gbpusd basically overextended to the upside a lot. You see the price rejected from this very top, and I think that now it will continue to drop. I think Gbpusd will drop further. Okay, let's see where it might drop. I think that it should drop at least to this trend line. This is the monthly. Okay, if we draw it fully, what we see that Gbpusd should drop at least to this support. Okay, go to the weekly time frame, and this is what it is. I think that Gbpusd is likely to continue to drop further. Even it could break this level of support. Okay, because it's kind of reversal pattern. Even it could open with a gap on the next week and could drop further. Okay, so let's find out with the daily what's happening with Gbpusd. Now daily, you saw the previous day and the day before, there is a strong move to the downside. Now the price is just on a level of support, but still it is pushing down. And I think that this current candle, you see this one, if this one looks like it is going to close as a doji, and we might see that Gbpusd just creating a structure from here and then just, you know, pushing down. Okay, Gbpusd is bearish. Okay, now let's see what happened. What other request I have? Can you please tell me why trading so hard? Okay, grandson, you know, ask a very quick question. It's trading is not all about giving you signal, it's also discussing this matter. Hello, can you please tell me why trading is so hard? Very important question. It was so hard for me as well, and I totally understand this point, why trading is so hard. Let me tell you something. The trading is so hard is because it's a money, it's emotion. Okay, the reason is emotion. It's controlling emotion is very difficult. I have a video on it, how these things work. You know, we put a meaning behind everything. Okay, so the main reason the trading is hard is because of fear and greed. Okay, fear and greed. These are the two main factors that governs our trading. To be successful as a trader, you need to understand your own emotion. Okay, let me give you a quick example. See, if you get the point, it will be very easy for you to become a trader, to understand. See, I'll give you a reference also from yesterday's live stream, then you'll understand how I trade. That really you need to understand, not this signal only. Keep in mind. See, first of all, why trading is so hard is because, you see, when let me give you a reference from yesterday's live stream. You saw that I normally provide you the trade signal at the end of the stream, and I say that after giving the signal, manage the risk, and then I get out of the stream. The reason is because in a very rare case, I watch a running trade. Okay, I analyze the chart, I think 100 times before taking a trade, I think many times, but as soon as I take the trade with proper risk management, I don't watch it anymore. Okay, the reason is, when I watch the trade, when I look at it over and over again, either I close it early, or I add it, or I doubt it. There is a lot of things happen. Every human are like that. So the day I became successful, when I realized this, what I do, I manage my risk properly. I place pending order, I place, profit target, everything, risk to reward, everything, and then I forget the trade. Okay, I don't look at it. That is the key for my winning. I'm sure that if you are new to the trading, definitely you are, every time when you are trading, you are looking at the trade over and over and again, and then you are closing it or you are doubting it. That's what it is. You need to understand it. And let me give you a very, very important clue, and then we'll go back to the chart again. See, when I started trading initially, someday I lose a lot. I took a lot of trade without any reason. And then I realized that why am I doing this? Why am I taking so many trades, opening so many trades and then closing them and just giving the money away? And then I realized that, okay, that particular day I had a bad day at work, or maybe bad day at home, or maybe bad day. So unconsciously we tried, if we have any problem in our personal life, we just try to solve it in trading. And that's what you need to control yourself, control your emotion. You will be able to become a good trader. That's what only I can say. So let's go back to our analysis, and then we'll go to trading. As you know that at 11 o'clock there will be a candle close on the 4 hour, and before that we'll jump onto lower time frame like yesterday. We'll do some short listing, and then we'll find out how we can trade. Gold looks like from here might drop a lot. Let me see if we have an entry on the 15 minutes. So far no entry. This candle could be a trading opportunity, but it's gone. Leave it, no problem. If I saw this 15 minutes candle, I could go for a short trade quickly on gold. Okay, so yeah, it's gone, no problem. There is a lot of trade you can take. So this is 15 minutes now. Let's find out first of all. Let's see on first of all higher time frame on the 4 hour, and then we will consider trading on the 15 minutes. As you can see, this is the trade that we have I have given yesterday. As you know that this trade has been a winner in the live stream. You remember that, So I think that everybody has made money from it. You see that this is the one that we have given in this live stream for free, and definitely everybody has made money from it. That's what it is. That's what I deliver in this channel. So let's see today what we can find more on this, how we can find another trading opportunity in this one. So Eurusdjpy, let me see what's happening. Eurusdjpy looks like, okay, this is hourly chart. So Eurusdjpy may be creating a trading opportunity. Let me see Eurusdjpy 15 minutes. Eurusdjpy, let me see quickly if we can find a trading on Eurusdjpy. Okay, let Eurusdjpy, this is the 4 hour time frame, let it come to this trend line. If it come back to this trend line and create a price action, then we will trade Eurusdjpy. Okay, so leave it like that. Now we'll see what we can trade. In the meantime, let me see what you guys and girls thinking. AUD CAD, okay, CAD JPY, baby world, Henny's agreed sir, I always get back to demo account after big loss. You don't, yeah, that's what it is. You need to be consistent and be patient. Okay, strongly learn the psychology. AOA sir gold, okay, again President, hello Wizard, as always, good job. I always smash the like button. Thank you for smashing the like button. Armandio, good morning sir, I send you email. Okay, I'll get back to it. Bumaya, hi sir, today late, no problems. Madhu, USD JPY. So let's see what's happening with quickly the dollar pairs. Dollar yen, let's see. Okay, dollar yen, now dollar is getting stronger, so dollar yen pushing to the high side. at this point. Let me see dollar yen. I don't have any entry point. It might come to, if it comes to this level, we might see a little bit of rejection, but as you can see, dollar yen is a bullish market and still not sure. It might go in a sideways. Dollar yen may go in a sideways at this point. Okay, so let's see what other pairs. AUD CAD. We'll come back to this pairs again and again, so it's not over. We'll come back to your pairs over and over again. I'm just seeing which one is giving more trading opportunity, then I'll discuss more about it. So CAD JPY. Okay, so CAD JPY, all of them now retracing to the upside, and as you can see that this is weekend, and keep in mind in the weekend I make more money than any day. Okay, so as soon as I will find, we'll discuss it. Okay, I'll share with you, I'll tell you what we will be doing. Okay, Euro AUD. Okay, Euro pair looks today very strongly bearish. Euro AUD, as you have seen my analysis, creating a strong bearish candle, and Euro AUD is a good one to trade now. Euro AUD, Euro CAD also creating a bearish engulfer. Euro CHF also hitting our profit target. Smash the like button, and also if you want to join our VIP channel to get the trade like that, go to the description area, link is there, and if you have any question, there's a live chat area. So Euro AUD. Okay, let me see first what happened. We might do go to the smaller time frame today to trade Euro pairs. Looks like Euro might give us a nice trading opportunity. Let me see Euro JPY, what it is doing now, pushing up. Okay, let it go to this trend line, Euro JPY. That's what I'm waiting. If it goes here, this is 15 minutes now on Euro JPY, and give us a price action like that, then I will be trading Euro JPY. Okay, Euro JPY. Let's see what happened. Though we are running one trade on Euro CHF, Euro AUD as well. You see this is 15 minutes time. It's creating a nice price action. Let's see what happened. It has already created a bearish candle, but from here we might see a little bit of a spike to the upside. So what it might do, Euro AUD, even it might come down, come up here, and then could drop again. Okay, so let's see. We'll see what's happening. Euro dollar is creating a nice price action for bearish again. Euro dollar also bearish. All of these pairs are highly bearish. So this is 4-hour candle. It's giving an, say, if Euro dollar goes up here and close here, okay, I might go short with Euro dollar. Okay, it's a nice price action for trading short. Euro dollar, go to the 4-hour, and I want it to come up here. Let me draw the zone like yesterday. Okay, let's draw this one. Okay, if Euro dollar come up to this zone, this is 15 minutes now, to this zone, then we will be trading short Euro dollar. Be patient, stick till the end of this stream so that I can you can see what I'm trading, and if you want to copy, you can copy, but keep in mind that this is an educational purpose. I'm not an financial advisor. So GBP JPY bearish, GBP USD looks like it's still in a sideways. It's still bearish. Dollar is still very strong. Aussie dollar is pushing high a little bit, but let's see what happened. It's still bearish. All of them are bearish. Euro AUD, okay, creating a nice bearish price action. Euro CHF strongly bearish. It will continue to be bearish, Euro CHF. So if I find any trading again on Euro CHF, I'll, our VIP members are running this trade, but if I find any opportunity in this live stream, I'll discuss with you. So what is the next place to sell Euro CHF? Let me tell you. You see, this is the hourly time, and we see there has been a double top. Okay, double top here. You see the price broke down. This one could be a nice selling point if it goes up to, let me tell you. So if Euro CHF in case today goes up to 1.0404, could be a nice sell opportunity. Okay, let's see what happened. Euro GBP all of them are pushing down. Eurojpy, let me see 15 minutes what's doing. Eurojpy, so we'll do a short listing first. Let me see which one is giving more opportunity, then we'll do short listing. Okay, euro dollar, let it go up. Gold is highly bearish. Okay, as I told you, gold is highly bearish. So you guys and girls, write down in the chat area so that I know what you are thinking, what's your thought, so that I can in tune with it. Euro AUD going to drop? Yes, Kakulan, looks to me that Euro AUD will drop, but there is a rejection. Euro CHF is more bearish than any other euro pairs. If you can please have a look, Jonathan, no problem. News Euro USD. Okay, Euro GBP, sir. CAD JPY, good to sell. No, I'm just reading the message. I'm not telling you to CAD JPY to sell. We can do natural gas. Yep, we'll do that. USD JPY. So let's go to euro dollar again. Okay, let's see euro dollar. So euro dollar is a really good trading opportunity to the short side. Euro dollar is highly bearish. This is daily time frame. You see on the daily time frame, euro dollar has created basically a head and shoulder. You see, this is a head and shoulder and then broke down. This is daily time frame, and on the daily head and shoulder means it's a really big move, and we can expect it to drop further. Euro dollar is highly bearish to me. On the 4 hour, it's creating a nice pattern here. Now I will be actively looking at euro dollar. Okay, as you know that this is Friday, right? After 54 minutes, if this one goes up, euro dollar, let's say here, coming here, closing as a doji, or even closing here, then we might find couple of, up to here a good trade. From here to here, we might find a good trade on euro dollar. So make sure you patiently wait to find out what kind of trading opportunity you might have on euro dollar. Okay, so let me remove all the short listings. So first, let's see euro dollar in our short list. Okay, let's see all of them. Now let me see GBP USD, please. Sir, please, what do you think about USD JPY? So I'm getting a lot of requests on USD JPY. Let me see USD JPY. Overall, it's a, let me see the weekly, because it's weekly close. Okay, USD JPY also looks like it's still bearish. Okay, because you see USD JPY, what happened? This is an aggressively bullish move, and we need a healthy retracement. If you take your Fibonacci from the low to the high, even 31.8% Fibonacci is here. Okay, that which is minimum Fibonacci. Not always guaranteed. Trading is all about probability. Because it's a bullish market, what we might see next week, another push up, and then we might see that dollar yen pushing down. So going to the daily, okay, daily, we saw that on dollar yen, primarily a head and shoulder on created on the daily time frame. But what we might see that from here pushing high and then low, or even from here low. So that's what it is. Because it's a strongly bullish market, always you will see some spike to the upside. If you go to the 4 hour, so the best place to sell dollar yen is when it will come to this resistance level. Okay, let it come to upside after 52 minutes. If we see that this candle is dollar candle is coming up here, testing this maybe 20 period moving average, then we might go to the lower time frame to trade dollar yen. Let's leave it on our short list, and then we'll see one by one which one we will be trading. So Bumaya asked for US 100. So let's see indices, what's happening with US 100. So US 100, let me see weekly. Okay, now there is a gap opening, you see, and then US 100 broke down, right? So what it might do during this week, it might go up again, create a doji here, US 100 like that, with a gap, a doji like this. okay, and then when the new market will open, new week, it will drop again. That's what I think so. Okay, so that means that this week, early today, it might go for a strong retracement. This is the daily, and I think that this is what likely to happen. The price will go up maybe along this zone, and will start to move again. Why? Because the market moves in a trend. As you know that how the market moves, you see double top, drop down again, you know, consolidation, broke down again, consolidation, broke down. Now every time, see, it's a nice, you need to understand this market structures if you want to trade by yourself. You see there is a double top here, okay, and then what happened, the price broke down, and then you see the price created this pattern and then broke down, created this pattern. Now in this consolidation, every time the price tested the previous support as a resistance and then broke down, tested the previous support as a resistance, and we can expect another breakdown. But at this point, what I think that because this is the last day of trading week, let's see, US 100 will go up in this, from this zone. If we see the 4 hour from this zone, we might find a selling opportunity for US 100. So let it go like with a long candle, and let it give you a pin bar like that, okay, then sell US 100. That's what I think. Keep in mind that this is an educational advice, not any investment advice. So what I think that basically it will test this zone. You see there is a double top here, there is a double top formation here, price broke down, now going up to test this previous support as a resistance. So what I want, US 100 to go up, test this resistance, and then to continue drop. So this line 1230, 12320 could be a good point for selling US 100. So let's say I see quite a few requests: gold, AUD, USD, Keaton. I'm seeing Euro USD formed a head and shoulder, implying that more push to the downwards. Yes, I think so, Keaton. Euro USD looks to me that it's bearish. Okay, it's still bearish on the daily time frame. It has a head and shoulder, and also it's on a resistance. So Euro USD could drop further, but we might see a little retracement, but it's bearish. So Gbpusd plays, gold plays, Shabosha Sir Gbpusd plays, Prakash, gold trading at 1830. Where is sell buy position possible? Okay, so gold, we there was a selling opportunity gone. Then I will let you know as soon as I will find any entry in this live stream. Santosh, is that hence pattern in 1 hour AUD USD? So let me see. I saw quite a few questions, so let me see. First of all, gold. Okay, gold, I think that it will drop, continue to drop. Okay, but at this point, this is the last day of weekend, okay, as I told you. So go to the daily. What happened? I think that, you know, today, even later today, gold may drop, okay, further. Let's see, because you see this is the daily time frame. After the bearish engulfer, the price has created a gap opening and a bearish candle. But let's see what happened. Okay, let's see what happened. But we shouldn't trade blindly. We need to see the price action pattern, then we will see. Gold at this point, I don't have an entry, but you know, if in the lower time frame we might find. But this one was a nice entry candle. Okay, this bearish engulfer was a nice entry candle for gold. Now Euro CHF, as I told you, we entered like the same way with our VIP students. Now we are running in profit. Euro AUD, also the same thing is happening. It has first of all created a double top here. You see Euro AUD, and then broke down. So it should continue to drop, and because it's an overall bearish market. If you look at the bigger picture, it's an overall bearish market. Okay, so let's see what happened. Euro CHF, as I told you, it's dropping. That's what I do. You know, when I see a good trade, like the one I did yesterday in Aussie dollar. As soon as I find a good trade, I forget everything, I focus on that one. And that's what I did. Euro CHF, now we are running almost more than 1-to-1 profit. After a little more, we will hit our profit target at 1.03553. We have 2 trades on Euro CHF. Okay, so let's find out other requested that came from you. Justin, US 100, we have already did Justin. You can go back and check it. In the meantime, if you haven't done it, let me know. Justdale, how about Euro JPY, please? Let me see Euro JPY. Okay, Euro JPY, you see, if you go to the 15 minutes, that's what I told. It has created, now it is creating in the 15 minutes a nice bearish price action again. So as I told you, from here we could sell Euro JPY, but I normally wait to candle close, because I synchronize higher time frame with the lower time frame. So let's shortlist Euro JPY and we'll focus on them. Euro JPY, let's see what's happening with AUD USD. Okay, AUD USD also going to a very important zone for selling. So USD could start to be strong again. I think so. Okay, Aussie dollar, let's see what's happening. AUD NZD, AUD JPY, GBP JPY. So GBP JPY looks like a nice in a nice selling position. 44 minutes later, this candle will close, and what I think that because it's couldn't break this high, so we might do a trade on today GBP JPY. If I find, let's draw this all of them level. So if I find a trade on lower time frame, I will definitely trade it with you. So GBP JPY looks like it's still not there. Let's see gold, what it is doing. Now we are looking at 15 minutes. So let's short list all of them, and then we will jump on a trade as soon as we will find. Okay, be patient, stick till the end. In the meantime, if you haven't smashed the like button yet, do it. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, make sure you subscribe. Okay, so GBP JPY looks to me bearish. Euro dollar, okay, Euro dollar, I'm biased with Euro dollar. It's a nice bearish price action, but before candle close, let me see how it does, then we'll be trading. Okay, Euro dollar on the hourly has given a nice nice pin bar. Okay, let me see what it is doing. This is hourly chart. Looks like it is creating kind of head and shoulder in this hourly time frame. You see there is a head and shoulder. Let this hourly candle to test this 20 period moving average. Let's see what happened. Okay, let me see 4 hour. Okay, delete all of them. So let's close today Euro dollar. We might find a quick trade on Euro dollar at the end of the candle close. Be patient, stick till the end, and then we'll trade Euro dollar. So we have shortlisted Euro dollar, Euro CHF. Okay, Aussie dollar looks like a little bit of stronger. Let's see USD CAD, USD CNHS, USD CHF. Okay, looks like Swiss franc is getting stronger. That's a good thing. The price action here on the 4 hour on USD CHF, it's kind of reversal pattern. Let me see on the monthly. Let me see on the weekly. This is USD CHF. Let me see on the daily. Okay. USD CHF. Okay, we might find a shorting opportunity on USD CHF, but what it might do, it might go up, create a spike, and then may drop because it's an uptrending market. Okay, in the meantime, if you guys and girls, yep, Euro AUD has formed a double top, looks like that. Euro AUD is bearish. If you wanna write anything on the chat, if you have any question, don't forget to write down. Ask any question if you have. So GBP also I'm short listing. Okay, guys and girls, US oil is highly bullish. Looks like, you know, what might happen, that dollar might get a little bit of weaker, okay, because it's weakened, but euro will be very, very weaker. Okay, looks like euro is going to be very, very weaker. Let me see what kind of trading opportunity. No worries, we did a lot of euro USD. Blessed, his name is Blessed. Okay, Aussie yen. Okay, let me shortlist Aussie yen. If Aussie yen cannot break this high, okay, if it cannot break the high, we might find a shorting opportunity. Okay, let's see. Let me shortlist it. Aussie dollar, looks like we might find another opportunity on Aussie dollar as well. Let me see. Yeah, let's see what happened. Okay, we'll trade on the 15 minutes if we find like yesterday, but first I need to see a signal, then we can think of trading on the lower time frame. Euro JPY looks like, you know, the pattern is highly bearish. You see, this is 15 minutes creating a series of lower high on this resistance. Euro dollar, it's bearish. You see in the 15 minutes as well also, it has created a head and shoulder here. Okay, and then now, but it's not reliable, this 15 minutes. I think that what it might do, before that, this 4-hour candle close, we might see that euro dollar is going up. If it goes up, that's what I want. Okay, I want euro dollar to come up again, to close somewhere here as a doji, and then we'll sell euro dollar. Okay, so in the meantime, Andy Louis, AUD USD, please sir. No problem, we'll do that. Prakash, you are awesome. You are awesome too, Prakash. It's pleasantly learning from you. No problem, Prakash. This is my goal, is to help every trader. GBP JPY dropping now. Yep, I think so. GBP JPY will drop. Chadrick Magabo, please CAD JPY. Okay, we'll look at it. Trader X Boy, sir, can we have a look at Euro GBP? So let's see CAD JPY, Euro GBP, and then we'll come back to Euro JPY. Okay, let's find out first CAD JPY. Okay, CAD JPY, as I told you, CAD is getting stronger. Okay, so it is a bearish, but I will be more interested on, let's say Euro JPY. You see, Euro JPY has a spike down now, because if you are on a trade on CAD JPY, JPY is stronger. Okay, but you see it's bearish. JPY is stronger, so CAD could drop, but looks like that CAD is a bit stronger, but as you can see on the 4-hour, looks like is still bearish. Okay, we might see today after the candle close, if we see this one couldn't break this high, we might see a drop from here on CAD JPY. Okay, if we look at the bigger picture, weekly on the weekly, it has created a double top. Okay, see, this is the double top, and the CAD JPY market is basically an overextended market with a double top. It's look like the change of trend. Okay, looks like change of trend, not 100% weekly. So what might happen on the next week, you see there is a head here. So what might happen, even opening with a gap and may continue to drop. If you go to the daily, okay, daily we saw there is a head and shoulder on Gbpusd. All JPY pair did like that. There is a head and shoulder, so kind of change of trend. Now it's in a very, very important zone. The previous support now testing as a resistance, and we might see Gbpusd is continuing dropping. So let's see 4 hour. Now this is what it is. We might see a spike and test this 20 period moving average and then drop. So we need proper price action confirmation, but so far it looks bearish from here. Okay, Gbpusd, most of the JPY pairs looks bearish. So let's see Euro GBP. Okay, Euro GBP, like any other Euro pair, it's bearish, and I think that looks like Euro GBP will drop further, because overall it's a bearish market. You see the price, this is an overextension to the upside, it's a fake out to the upside, and then the price is now creating, this is 4 hour, a nice head and shoulder on the 4 hour, and we might see that Euro GBP is melting down. If you look at the weekly Euro GBP, you see this is a very, very bearish market. You see overall long-term bearish. Now tested this trend line. This is a long-term trend line. Okay, this is the highest trend line. All right, from here we saw a test, and then Euro GBP continued dropping, right? So from here I think that Euro GBP will continue to drop. This is the weekly. Now go to the daily time frame. What you saw that after this strong bearish engulfer today, the buyers not finding any fuel. Instead, the price now remaining in this level of resistance. So let's see on the 4 hour. Okay, so this is a very, very good point for Euro GBP for selling. I put this one also in my watch list. I think that Euro GBP could drop even today. Okay, so let's keep all them on the watch list. And this Euro CAD also, as expected, is dropping. Euro CHF also dropping. Gold is continue to dropping, it will continue to drop, I think. USD CHF. So let's see. In the meantime, AUD CAD, I'm so amazed how you explain each candlestick, and it's possible to move in. I eager to learn about the way you do it. Also, what's thoughts on SMC approach, please? Yep, definitely, Shantosh, very good to hear from you. I really learn it in a hard way, but that's why I just help traders to learn, because I have a struggle, so I know how it looks like to struggle as a trader. But if you want to learn more about this, more about my strategy, don't hesitate to visit my website, link in the description. So let's see what says Vin Christian. Hello hello Vin. Baby World, AUD USD, red candle, no problems. Amir Al Said, USD JPY, please. We did it, we'll do more and more. GBP USD, sir. So I see that quite a few requests for GBP USD. Let's find out what's happening with GBP USD. So let's see GBP USD. Okay, we'll go to the it's a bearish market, as I told you, but let me see on the lower time frame what's happening on the 15 minutes. Okay, so it looks like that the price is in a sideway on the 15 minutes. Let me see on the daily. Okay, so this is the last day of trading week, right? Let me see weekly. I think that GBP USD will continue to drop at least to this level of support. Okay, daily, we saw already on the daily there is quite a few false breakout, and today the price went above for retracement and now pushing down. So GBP USD as well is bearish. Euro dollar, GBP USD all looks bearish. Dollars looks stronger. GBP CAD also bearish. You see nice candlestick pattern created on the previous 4 hour, created a double top here, nice double top, okay, in this resistance breakdown. You see this is a very strongly bearish candle. As a result, the next one started to push down. Now let's see daily time frame how it is doing. GBP CAD, you see there is a doji here. I like to trade this kind of dojis. When you see this kind of doji in a strongly falling market, I trade immediately. It's a very powerful doji. You see the price didn't cross the doji, instead breaking down, and I think that it will continue to break down GBP CAD. Okay, put it in our watch list, and then we'll narrow down the watch list. Go to the 4 hour. So it's a nice price action on GBP CAD. Also see GBP CAD looks, let me see the monthly. Okay, it's a very strongly monthly price action. You see, I think at least GBP CAD should come to this level of support. Weekly, very nice. You see this week just being started, pardon me, closing, but the price still didn't move through it all the way to the upside for retracement, and I think that GBP CAD will drop after this bearish engulfer. It will continue to drop. Go to the daily. Okay, daily also, as I told you, doji drop. Now it will continue to drop, I think so, not guaranteed. Trading is all about probability. Now if you look at the 4 hour, what you see, first of all, look at this. There is a double top, nice double top. As I told you before also, how you will know how the market is doing. Look for a market that is overextended, opposite direction of the trend, and then sell when you find an opportunity. That's what it is. GBP CAD created a double top, broke down. Now with this double top, it has a head and shoulder here. Now you see this is the head, left shoulder, right shoulder, and now it is now continuing down. Okay, so this is with GBP CAD. So now let's go to the candle closes after 30 minutes. Now let's find out our let's see how we can trade. Let's go to our short list, and then we'll go to the lower time frame to see if we can find a trade like yesterday. Okay, make sure you hold on to it. You see Gbpsd as expected is dropping now from this resistance. Okay, let me see what's happening on the 4 hour. Gold, very strongly bearish. Euro dollar, okay, euro dollar is giving us a nice bearish engulfer. So what I will do, euro dollar, if it closes as a bearish engulfer, we'll trade euro dollar. Okay, we'll trade dollar yen. Let me first, okay, Eurojpy finally broke down. Okay, Euro CHF as expected dropping AUDJPY. So let's focus on this pair now. If anyone wants me to add anything else, you can request. We will see what it is. We really appreciate you. Thank you, various Vin, gold sell strong. At this point, no, gold already we the first signal gone. I will see Euro USD, Ocean. Yep, we'll do all of them. So let's see first of all what's happening with all these pairs. GBPUSD, GBP CAD. Okay, so okay, I'm biased with euro dollar and euro. JP already dropped, let it go up, but euro dollar is highly bearish. So let me see how we can find a trading opportunity. Let's focus on euro dollar now for the couple of for the next until this candle close, and then we'll see how we can trade. Okay, euro GBP, let me see what it is doing. GBPJPY, okay, so be patient. Okay, let me find out. If I find something, I'll definitely let you know. Keep in mind that that's what Jesse Livermore says. Jesse Livermore in his book says that people think that trading is like a day job. You will come, you will spend your time, and when you will go home, you will take money with you. You will take your salary. It's not like that. Trading is like a patience. Someday you will spend whole day, but finally you may not find even any trade. That's completely fine, but you have to be comfortable with this. Okay, can you do it? So a lot learned from you. Thank you. No problem, John. Chedrick, I have never enjoyed price action till I watched your videos. Thank you, Chedrick. That's my goal. Is price action is really nice. If you trade price action, you will never lose money if you properly manage your risk. Okay, sir, any suggestion on a CAD CHF on sell order? Let me see what's happened. Can you add Euro AUD? Okay, so let's see CAD Euro AUD as well. Watch list Euro AUD. Okay, yeah, Euro AUD, nice bearish price action creating. Let me add that, and CAD CHF. So let's see CAD CHF. Okay, so let me see weekly. Okay, CAD CHF is a very, very strongly bullish market. I will never suggest to go short with such kind of bullish market. It could drop, but it's a bullish market on a level of support. Never, don't think of for selling. Let's see euro dollar. Go back to euro dollar. Let me see on the 15 minutes what's happening with euro dollar. Let it go up. Okay, that's what I want. If euro dollar in case goes up accidentally today before the candle close, or even closing somewhere here, could be a nice even closing here could give us a smaller trade. Okay, but it still could be a good trade on euro dollar. Okay, in the meantime, if anyone has a request, let me know. I'll keep eye on everything. Looks like GBP AUD also trying to break down. USD CAD, I have a request on USD CAD. This earn money like short money. Yeah, you trade on Euro CHF is a long term or short term. Berkshire, it's neither long term not short term. We could be hitting our profit target tonight. It's a short term. Okay, all my trade I give short term. I believe in making quick money. Okay, I don't wanna. I spend a lot of time just to wait. But when I take quick one. Okay, you saw on my scalping video that's I did on the live stream yesterday. You saw my AUD USD trade, and also the previous day on the live stream USD CNHS trade ended up being a winner. Okay, if you wanna receive like that and you wanna learn this my strategy, if you are passionate about trading, don't hesitate to go to my description area. If you have any question, use the live chat option or email me from the website, or every information is there. You can join, you can be a part of this team, and also you can learn and earn at the same time. So let's see what's happening with GBP JPY. I think the GBP JPY also good selling position. GBP USD as well providing nice bearish price action. Euro dollar, so clean price action is euro dollar. Okay, euro looks getting weaker. Clean price action is euro dollar. Okay, let's see. And euro AUD also not bad. It's also created a bearish price action and then broke down, but in euro AUD we might see a spike or may not see. From here, this is the strategy that I teach. My VIP members knows that it's EAR strategy in my website that I'm teaching my students. EAR strategy, perfect EAR strategy. If you trade this with EAR strategy, what is your risk and how much profit? Look, your risk is 13 pip. You can target at least 120 or at least 120 pip. That's what it is. Okay, you have seen what I said by my action in this live stream. So let's see what's happening now. We are waiting for a good trading opportunity. In the meantime, if you guys and girls smashing the like button and also hitting the subscribe, that will be really helpful for the channel to grow. I want to reach more people like you, and help me on this by subscribing and smashing like button, and also leaving a comment. So if you do that, then your YouTube algorithm will bring the video more and more to people. That's helpful for the channel. That will motivate me to create more like this. Okay, Usdjpy. Let me see on the 15 minutes, 4 hour. So we are now narrowing down our approach. Let me see if I can find a trade on the lower time frame. Let me see Euro, GBP, GBP USD, GBP CAD, Euro AUD impressive. Okay, Euro AUD impressive, but the thing is that because it has created, this is the 4 hour, it has created a double top. Okay, Euro AUD, and also a head and shoulder. If you look closely, you'll see that there is a head and shoulder. But the thing is that what it might do, it might go for a spike, okay, and then could drop. Let's see what happened, because there is a rejection here. That's only my concern is. GBP CAD, British Pound, US Dollar, Euro, GBP, AUD. So GBP JPY also clean price action is still very bearish. So we either will trade on GBP JPY today, or we'll trade on Euro Dollar. Okay, let's see what's happened. Dollar Yen, let's see. Dollar Yen also looks bearish. If this is the case, then Euro JPY should be stronger, isn't it? 15 minutes Euro JPY. Let me see. So what it might do, Euro JPY, it might just break this level of support. If that's happened, that could be really a good trade. But before this, it might go up, and that's what I'm waiting. If it goes up and then create a price action for dropping on Euro JPY. Okay, Euro Dollar, it's continuing to drop. I'm requesting it to go up, but it's creating a head and shoulder in this 15 minutes, and then you see it's dropping. Let me see what it does after this. So we still have one more 15 minutes candle to trade on Euro Dollar. So let's see what's happening. Let me see 4 hour. Looks like it will just melt from here on Euro Dollar. Let me see, there is a trend line. So this is the 15 minutes. I might take a trade. Let me see. GBP JPY, Euro JPY, Euro Dollar. So Bin Chen says GBP CAD. Okay, KB Euro AUD is forming a nice double top. Okay, so Euro Dollar is looking like let me see. Looks like Euro Dollar will just drop from here. Looks like 4 hour. Okay, so let me see where we can trade Euro Dollar before I end the stream. Let me see. So what I'll do, I will give the trade signal if I find, and then I will end the stream, because I normally take the trade with proper risk management, proper lot size calculation, and then I just forget it, because if I watch the trade I might mess up. This is normal human psychology like that. Okay, so what I will do is this candle is closing after 14 minutes it will close. So what I'll do today, because it's weekend, I'll keep a bit bigger stop loss with a smaller profit target, but should be a good trade. So I will trade today a bit different way. I will trade 1 to 0.5 so that I know that what's likely to happen. Let me see first of all, because it's weekend, so you know that how to calculate the lot size, right? So let me see what's happening. Not now, don't trade anyone. Keep in mind that this is not an investment advice, this is just for educational purpose. Let me see what euro dollar is doing. Let me delete this one again. So this is okay. All right, so let's see. Okay. Let's see, 15 minutes. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place a pending order around 1.03879 on euro dollar. Pending order, sell pending order 1.03879. I'll put a stop loss at 1.04202. That means that around 33 pip stop loss. Okay, and I'll target at 1.0360, so around 28 to 29 pip profit target. Okay, this is the trade that I will be opening now with euro dollar. We are already running euro trade, and I will be opening this one either losing or winning. I know that it's a low risk to reward, but it's a high probability. Trading is all about probability. So that's the trade we will be running on euro dollar from this live stream, and hopefully that it could give us a winning trade tonight, because it's weekend. So whatever happen, let me see the daily time frame. Whatever happens, so we'll keep this trade running even the weekend. Risk is 1% only. Keep in mind, risk no more than 1%. If anyone thinking that okay, Forex wizard is always right, let's hold account risk, don't never do that. I'm also wrong. Many times I get wrong. So but keep in mind that this is not any kind of investment advice. This is only for educational purpose. So the risk is 1%. That means that total how many pips converting into a percentage of the account, and we'll target it here. Hopefully by tonight should trigger the trade. Hopefully by tonight the trade should be triggered. This is the weekly chart. Let me see what's happening. Unless, let me see daily. Yeah, it should come down by tonight. Okay, I sincerely believe that this should come down by tonight, because the price action has created a bearish, and there should have another candle come down and should be a winning trade. I believe so. Not always, it could be a losing trade. So this is the situation with euro dollar. Now before so this is the end from live stream. Before I ending the stream, is anyone have any request for analysis? So let me go through now. Some gold is highly bearish, as I told you. It's continuing to drop, and I think that whole it will continue to drop. It might drop a lot. You see, this is a very strongly bearish market. Sometime you know that gold drop like that, like this one, it could do like that. Okay, tonight I don't know, could be, very strongly bearish. You see the price is dropping after this bearish engulfer. Okay, gold can be traded to the short side also, but there is a resistance here, support here coming up. There is a bearish engulfer. Gold is bearish. Okay, that's what I can say, as we are opening a trade on euro dollar. So I'm not trading gold now, but gold is highly bearish. Okay, gold is bearish. Let me see the 4 hour. So that this candle is going to close after say 1 hour 11 minutes. What I think that if in case it goes up even, it will drop again, should be dropping, and I think that gold may drop just like that tonight, or even if it closed somewhere here today, this weekly candle, next week we might see a gap opening again, and we might see that gold is dropping. So gold is so far looks to me highly bearish until it comes down here, create any kind of a big long wick candle. Gold is bearish. So let me see in the meantime. Shady says Euro CHF please. Okay, so we did Euro CHF already. We are running a trade with our VIP member, and also I posted analysis on YouTube, everywhere, trading view, and also in the live stream I told you that we are running this trade, and I think that Euro CHF will continue to drop. Now if anyone wants to trade Euro CHF, the best point could be to enter at, let's say, 1.0398. 1.0398. Stop loss should be like this one here. This is our trade, our VIP trade. We are running 2, but if in case anyone wants to trade, could be this one. Keep in mind that this is only for educational purpose. This is not any kind of investment advice. So Euro CHF could be an entry point by pending order 1.0398. Stop loss 1.0434, take profit 1.0353, or if anyone want to hold the trade with proper risk management, this trade can be extended to this level 1.0235. If anyone have the strong mind, can hold the trade to 1.02356. So this is the Euro CHF situation. Will you live stream every day? Yep, every day. Whereas I live stream every single day, trading days, 5 days in a week. Every day I post analysis, and every week I post weekly forex forecast, everything in this channel, educational content, because this channel is to help traders, and it's dedicated to help traders. So this is the situation with all these pairs and all this analysis and all of this. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and also press that bell button. And if anyone looking for a trusted, reliable broker, the broker link in the description, they are regulated, reliable. You can use my link for opening an account with Blueberry Market. If you use my link, you will get instant 20% trade credit on your account. So link in the description. And also if anyone want to get funded account, also there is a link in the description. You can find 30% off in your first plan. So also use my link, then you will get that. So these are the situation. And if anyone want to be mentored by me, learn my strategy, go to my description website, link in the description. You can get a signal, you can get all the strategies. This is weekend. I'm really excited to I'm really happy to spend this time with you. Thank you for joining this live stream. I'll see you every day in this live stream. Make sure you manage your risk, and also make sure you do proper risk management, and don't take a big risk. Have a good weekend. I'll see you on in live stream on Monday, and also tomorrow, after tomorrow, in all the videos that I will be posting. Thank you for watching. See you soon.